Begin seated on the mat next to the wall. Bring one hip close into the wall, sitting side on. And then, as you're ready, begin to lower yourself down onto your back, gently turning as you lift your legs up the wall. Take your time to arrive. There's no rush to get into the position here. You might adjust your distance from the wall, finding a place where your legs feel fully supported and not strained. And once you're here, allow the body to soften. Let the weight of your legs be held by the wall and the back of your body supported by the ground. There is nothing for you to hold. Allowing the arms to rest by the sides or wherever feels comfortable. Maybe one hand is on the belly and the other hand is on the chest. Allow your shoulders to feel heavy, your jaw to soften, and the space around the eyes is relaxed. In this position, the legs are gently elevated above the heart, and this supports blood flow back towards the center of the body, giving the heart a little less work to do. You might begin to feel a sense of easing through the legs, through the whole system of the body. And as the body rests here, the nervous system begins to settle, moving away from that constant state of doing into a quieter, more restorative space. Notice if there's anywhere you're still holding, and see if you can soften into that space, even by just 2, 5, or 1%. This posture is something you can return to at any time, at the end of the day, after long periods of sitting or standing, when the body feels busy, or when the mind feels full. Stay here for a few breaths, or longer if it feels good. Letting the body be supported. And when you're ready, begin to bend the knees. Gently lower them down to one side and pause there for a moment. And then slowly bring yourself back up to seated, taking your time.